All right, hi first graders. For your brain break today, we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to play a game called Stand Up If. And what you're going to do is you're going to stand up as I read some clues or facts if you agree with what I'm saying or if you've done that before. Okay? So, and then I'm going to say sit down and you'll sit down. If you don't agree with what I say or you haven't done that before, you're going to stay sitting. Okay? All right, let's try this out. So stand up if you know how to juggle. I don't know how to juggle. All right, sit on down. Stand up if you like donuts. Sit on down. Stand up if you like talking with friends. Okay, sit down. Stand up if you love animals. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you're afraid of snakes. I'm afraid of snakes. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you've ever played in a treehouse before. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you wish you could have superpowers. If you're standing right now, tell somebody at home or tell your computer, you can tell me, what superpower you wish you'd have. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you like tacos. I do too. Sit on down. Stand up if you like playing outside. I know I do, especially on beautiful days. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you've ever visited a farm before. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you've ever touched a frog before. That's pretty cool. Sit down. Stand up if you think skunks smell disgusting. If you've never smelled a skunk before, consider yourself very lucky. Okay, sit on down. Stand up if you enjoy math. Okay, sit down. And our last one, stand up if you are a first grader. You should all be standing right now. All right, boys and girls, you can sit on down and continue through your slides for today. I hope you have fun.